Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with an Airbnb update. So Airbnb IPO raises at least 3.5 billion, challenging DoorDash and Snowflake for the largest IPO of the year. After pricing well higher than an already elevated range, vacation rental company receives valuation topping 40 billion from Wall Street ahead of its expected debut on Thursday. So Airbnb pulled off one of the largest initial public offerings of 2020 despite the pandemic that laid waste to much of the travel industry. The lodging booking platform priced its initial public offering at $68 a share. Wednesday, Wall Street Journal reported, well above its most recent target range of $56 to $60, which it had already revised upward. At its IPO price, Airbnb is expected to raise at least $3.5 billion with an initial market capitalization topping $40 billion. That would top Airbnb's opening act on 2020 IPO train DoorDash, which began trading Wednesday morning, and Snowflake, which both raised $3.36 billion before over-allotments and private placements, according to PwC data. The only offering this year to top Airbnb was a different sort, which is the SPAC company run by Bill Ackman. Airbnb shares are expected to make their global debut Thursday on the Nasdaq Global Select Market, trading under the symbol ABNB. The San Francisco company has planned to go public in the spring, but it was stunned by the COVID pandemic and the subsequent travel restrictions that followed. It has since been in its rebound stage and its business, which allows people to rent out their homes or apartments online. Airbnb's third quarter revenue bounced back to $1.3 billion from its $134 million in the second quarter. The company attributed its comeback to the strength of domestic travel, short trips, and long-term stays as restrictions loosened. But travel, and therefore Airbnb's business, may be affected in the short term as coronavirus cases rise again. A perfect example of a risk factor. The company listed its prospects. The COVID-19 pandemic we will continue to materially impact our business and results of operations and financial condition. Airbnb was founded in 2008 after San Francisco found a rental room in San Francisco apartments the previous year to help pay for their rent, and the company has raised $6.5 billion from investors, including, I don't even want to read all that. The IPO will be led by Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs, along with more than 30 other underwriters, and they will have access to an additional 5 million shares that could drive the total price higher, as what eventually happened with Snowflake. Airbnb's public offering will come the day after the big stock market entrance of DoorDash, which saw its first day pop off 85% on Wednesday. Other tech companies that IPO during the roller coaster of the year for the stock markets and beyond include ASAN and Palter Technologies, Roblox, Affirm, and Wish are also expected to go public by the end of the year. So guys, let me know, what do you guys think is a good price for Airbnb? Do you plan on buying it tomorrow or today? Depending on when I release this video, I might do it pretty early tomorrow, being Thursday morning. I originally kind of thought that the same as the Wall Street analysts. I kind of thought it would be like $58 a share, but if it's at 70, that's fine. My only issue with IPOs is they fluctuate. So the problem is with the initial public offering, all the insiders are still in the company, right? So all the private people that invested in it before it was a public company, like angel investors and other investors and whatnot, are in the company still, right? So they own their shares at whatever price they got them at. I don't know what that would be. But odds are, if it's being priced at, say, 60, a lot of them are probably in at, like, say, 30 to 50, I would guess. So a lot of the time what happens with these IPOs, you saw it with Snowflake and again with DoorDash for today, they shoot up. So IPO day, Airbnb could go up to, like, say, 120, right? Say doubles, which could happen. Then a lot of the insiders tend to get out. Because like with DoorDash, it's up 85% as of today, as of IPO day, Wednesday. So the people that are in at a lower price than the IPO initial public offering price tend to get out. So unless the insiders really believe in the company, a lot of times they get out. That's why I stay out of it. So I want to buy Airbnb. I will be buying Airbnb. I just will wait until I know about where it's going to be trading at, and I can do an evaluation of the company. An intelligent evaluation of the company to kind of figure out what I think it's actually worth, pricing in the coronavirus and whatnot too. But anyways, guys, let me know. Did you guys buy DoorDash? Are you guys planning on buying Airbnb? I said it was going to be one of the growth stocks that I bought for my portfolio, and I'm excited to own it. I just don't know what price to buy it at quite yet, but I'm guessing that the initial public offering is going to be around 65 to 68 bucks, and we'll see about where it ends up. I might buy it in like January or February because I'm going to wait because I don't like doing IPOs. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys bought DoorDash or if you plan on buying it. And same thing with Airbnb if you plan on buying it or if you already bought it. Tomorrow I will go ahead and do a evaluation on the stock and see how much it fluctuates like I did with DoorDash. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next stock market news update. Take care, guys.